Careful. I'm doing okay. I'm getting frames every once in a while, but I'm doing okay. He's over here, he's over here, he's over here. Heal, heal, heal. Oh no, I fell in a hole. Oh no, I did it twice. That was good, that was good. Now go heal, please. Dude, he's getting shredded. You might want to back off. God damn it, I did it again. I know I'm getting... Okay, though, he's almost dead. He's pissing on us. Hurry, kill him. Yes! We got him. I got a little broadsword. I got some sandstone ingots as well. You can make some throwing armor. There's literally no point in us doing the fight, by the way. Oh my god! He's picking you up! Wait, is that... how'd you get that? What is that? Oh, really? Tossed. That's kind of... What buff does it give? Attack speed. It gives it attack speed. I like that. I placed my flute. Well, besides the Zephyr's feather thingy, like... I don't even know how you use the Zephyr's feather. Do you, like, consume it? Like, what is this? Like, do you hold it? Oh, you have to be holding it. That's dumb. I know, you're just like, oh, no. Well, I don't know. That's kind of a dumb little summon thingy. I mean, it's cool, but it's kind of dumb. You do get extra attack speed, though, so that's kind of... From this weapon that you got. I got a Talon, like, weapon, like... This is what I got. Come here. Where are you? What, did you just leave? You're, like, flying away. I guess he gives you some cool stuff. There was a, there's no healer weapon coming. Yeah, I can. So this weapon gives extra attack speed. So that's kind of... What's that? Why, what's up? Dude, look at how weird this looks when I'm holding it. It's just floating above my head. Wait, you gotta kill that bird. Where are you going? Oh no, it's because of the desert. We gotta get past it, hurry. That's pretty cool. I don't know if I like this better or if I like this better. I mean, this thing does 28, this thing does 25 damage, so... Also, I don't know what these notes. Like, I don't know. Can you play certain songs and it'll like do different buffs? Like, I know I'm getting a lot too. Maybe we should wait till we get better PCs. Or at least no, it's only until December. Well, you can't just borrow a graphics card. I hope you can't just take a graphics card. Oh, this thing's cool. I like how it penetrates. Go ahead. But yeah, you can't just borrow a graphics card. It doesn't just come out of the PC. It's so fucking. What about your PC though? Can you get it in and out of yours? Well, yeah, of course. You can't. Steal his PC. That'd be cool. I know, I've never seen a jungle that's like fucking like... Well, I have, but they're like huge jungles. They're not like tiny ass jungles that are just bordering ocean. Yeah, it's kind of... Ah! That's... Instead of... Oh, well, that sucks. There's a fallen star that just fell behind me, you might want. Glow sticks are the ultimate light source. Like, it's like where I am almost. Like, it's a little bit farther. A little bit on the map. And then there was darkness. Anyways, what are we going to the jungle for now? Oh, right. So I just gotta start getting stuff and hoping that there's a... Like, kind of. Like, are you meaning, like, statistically, or are you meaning, like... Alright, I'm gonna TP back home. We should just do Eye of Cthulhu. Let's do Eye of Cthulhu. Since you died, anyway. Just heal up and we can fight him. Can we spawn him yet? What I like better. Here, I'll use this for platform. Do as much as I can. Kill him. Get him. Get him. DPS. I'm not like. Run. Are you using your health steal? You should use your health steal weapon more often. I'm getting... Why did he just turn bright red? Oh, it's because I turned it. Scared the shit out of me. He almost got hit by a fallen star. It was like in shot. If you saw that or not. Oh, heal me. Or heal yourself. I'm over here, I'm over here. Run, run, run for your life, run for your life, run for your life, run for your life. That's fine. It's fine. I only got 3 seconds left in my healing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I don't have it, so I'm not gonna be able to buy it. But I'll buy it. Run. We almost have him. We got him. Nice. Yeah, I got my alchemist farm and everything. Alright, let me look at this real quick. I wanna see what I get. So I got binoculars. I got my guarding shield of Cthulhu. Put that on. Yeah. Just let me peek him. Alright, yeah. That's cool. Alright, I'm gonna dip curfew. Let's go.
So I'm gonna dip out of the game for a few until you get back. It's fine.